All new at 6, a man accused of driving drunk and killing 2 people took the stand in his own defense today. The dramatic crash was caught on video when it happened 2 years ago in Coral Gables. Today, that driver testified that the crash happened because he was tired, not because he was drunk. CBS 4's Natalia is live in Miami with what happened in court. Natalia.
Well, Irvin's Pruden admits he had 3 drinks on the night of this deadly crash, but he says that has nothing to do with it. He blames sheer exhaustion. Marlon Gutierrez and Maria Martinez sat in their Toyota Corolla, slowly stopping at this red light in Coral Gables, unaware of the intensely violent wreck that was to come that would take both of their lives. The impact caused their car to burst into flames and shatter into pieces. It also caused the driver at fault, local DJ Irvin's Pruden, to fly into his windshield, requiring more than a dozen staples in his scalp and more than 2 years of rehabilitation.
Which there's no doubt you were injured in that accident.
Yes, ma'am.
The crash also put Pruden's future in question. He's charged with DUI manslaughter for the wreck. He says he attended a wedding at the Coral Gables Country Club after working a double shift at a Miami Beach restaurant and running errands after work. On his way home from the wedding, after drinking a vodka Sprite and 2 glasses of champagne, he says he fell asleep.
So once I made the right turn and I started driving, and then from then on, I don't know what happened after that. It was off.
How do you know you fell asleep?
Because I don't remember what happened.
Okay, but you're calling that a fall asleep.
That's what it is.
The prosecutor pointed out that he was honking his horn and passing vehicles seconds before he slammed into the victims.
You changed lanes, passing Marcela Pena from behind her. You maneuver yourself into the lane right next to her.
Defense attorney Ed O'Donnell pointed out that 5 blocks before this tragedy, witnesses saw he ran another red light, asserting he was slumped over on the gas pedal.
Did you have any reason to willfully, at a high rate of speed, run through a major intersection where the light is hard red?
No, sir, no willing.
Pruden also said he has never forgotten that his actions took the lives of 2 people whose loved ones packed the courtroom. Now, Pruden's blood alcohol level was more than twice the legal limit. He says, though, that's because he had an empty stomach. He said he was not intoxicated. Closing arguments are expected to start tomorrow morning. Natalia, CBS 4 News.
Natalia, thank you.